Good morning, all my dear students. Welcome to our EVS class. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, that is the world of animals. Children, animals are a part of our lives. Some animals live in the wild while some are domesticated. In this chapter, let us learn about the different animals. Homes for animals. We all live in a home. Similarly, most animals live in homes. We need to live in a home to be safe from heat, cold, rains, and enemies. In the same way, animals too need to be safe from heat, cold, rains, and enemies. Who makes homes for animals? Well, some animals make their own home. For some animals, we make their homes. Some animals build their own homes. A bird makes a nest using straws, twigs, leaves, etc. While a spider makes spider webs, a rabbit makes a burrow, a bee makes a beehive. On the other hand, we make a home for some animals like cows live in a shed, dogs live in a kennel, horses live in a stable, and some fish live in an aquarium. Now, after animals, let's talk about birds. Birds have a light body. Their body is covered with feathers. Birds have two legs and a pair of wings. They have feet and claws. They do not have teeth, instead have beak to tear, bite, crush and chew their food. The ostrich is the biggest bird and is found in Africa, while the smallest bird is the hummingbird. Most birds like the crow, sparrow, parrot, eagle, kite, kingfisher, etc. can fly. But there are some birds that cannot fly, like penguin, hen and the duck. Reptiles and insects. Reptiles are animals with a dry, scaly skin. Reptiles like tortoise and turtle have a thick shell on their back. Lizards, crocodile, snake, tortoise, and turtle are some examples of reptiles. Some reptiles have short legs. For example, crocodile, lizard, and tortoise have short legs. Turtles have webbed feet that help them swim in water. Some reptiles, like snakes, do not have legs. They crawl on the floor. Now, let's discuss about insects. Children, nature has several species of insects. Some are useful to man while some are harmful. Insects are small creatures with three parts of body and three pairs of legs. With a shell like covering, most of the insects hatch from eggs. They walk, fly, and crawl. Some even live in water for some part of their lives. So, let's study a little about bees, butterflies, and ants. Bees are flying insects and are found wherever there are flowers. Some bees live in groups while others live independently. Butterflies. Butterflies mostly feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies use a long pair of tubes to suck on the nectar just like we use a straw. These beautiful creatures put a smile on our faces whenever we look at them. They visit flowers and flowers love them as they help plants to multiply in numbers. Some other insects. Ants. Ants live and work together like honeybees. Ants are small, strong insects that dig tunnels in wood or in ground to make their homes. Ants have 6 legs and a pair of antennae. They are black, dark brown or red in color. Ants live in colonies. Some ants even live on trees. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants guard the ant's nest, and the worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Ants are known for being hardworking. Termites and wasps. There are several hundred types of termites. The most common ones we see are the ones that destroy wooden furniture in our houses. So they cause us a great deal of trouble. There are a wide variety of wasps and are commonly found all across the world. Wasps are unfriendly creatures and they sting humans. However, they are beneficial to farmers as they feed on the insects on plants. Wasps live in nests and can be found in flowers too. Children, that's all we have in this chapter. I hope you enjoyed this chapter and gathered a lots of information about different animals, birds and different insects. So, till then, take care everyone. Bye.